Discussion number 6. The traveler weighed out the options, remembering Babaji's words of thinking about the advantages and disadvantages before making a decision.
Before making a decision, you should carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages. If there are more disadvantages involved, then you should not do it.
The traveler thought that the advantage of taking the bracelet was that he could sell it and use the money to buy some food, clothes, and shoes. Then the traveler thought of the disadvantage, which is that he could be risking his life if the tiger decides to eat him. But then again, the traveler thought that the tiger is old and he also is religious now. I think he's changed his nature for the better, the traveler thought. And with that money I get from selling the gold bracelet, I will buy some extra cheesy pizza, yum! And why stop there? I will also splurge and have a feast on French fries and a chocolate milkshake for dessert. The traveler's mouth started watering, just remembering how good these foods would taste. Just then, he felt sure about what he should do. I think I should trust the old tiger and take the gold bracelet, the traveler confidently said to himself. And so the traveler followed the tiger's instructions and walked into the river to bathe himself. But as he walked in, he felt that the bottom of the river was very muddy. His legs got stuck all the way up past his knees in the mud. Uh-oh, I think I just made a big mistake. How will I get out of this mud, he worried. Then the traveler's mind started racing as he worried some more. He thought, I'm stuck in the mud, and if this tiger wants, he could eat me right now. I can't run away. I think this tiger tricked me with his words, acting like he was so kind and compassionate. Only to get me stuck in this mud so he could attack me. I feel so stupid. It was only out of my desire for the gold bracelet that I fell for his lies. I did not act intelligently as I put my faith in a ferocious animal. My mind gave me such good logic for this bad decision I've made. I can't believe that I listened to my mind. Why did I listen to my mind? Oh, why? Oh, why? It was so convincing. Oh, only if I did not love pizza and French fries so much, then I would not have made such a bad decision. But I was so tempted by my desire to enjoy these tasty foods that my mind became weak and did not listen to the good advice from Babaji.
Never take a desirable thing from a dangerous source.
So weak, in fact, that I fell for the tiger's sweet talk, which was full of lies, and that hid his actual nature. How could I have been such a fool?